be the key for being a successful parent. Above everything else, it's relationship.
Yeah.
If you have a strong, positive relationship with your child, they
Hmm.
will buy into you as they're going through those difficult times, especially during, adolescence. And I've seen parents who had terrible technique, but they had a wonderful relationship, you know. And,
Yeah.
and so their kids came out okay. And I've seen parents who, do things by the book and had the technique, but they really didn't have that relationship.
Hmm.
And especially when the kids hit that middle school, you can't make me.
No, I agree with you 100%. And that was
Yeah,
something that was really important to me with my son is
yeah,
that I would have a good relationship with him so that when he does go through his tough years, he can turn. And we did do that. And even though I
yeah.
made some mistakes because
Oh
for a lot of
yeah,
his years, I was going through my own stuff, but I always was very aware how important that relationship was. And
yeah,
I did, as far as I knew, made myself always available to him. And we to this day have a great
yeah.
relationship because of it.
And I should also say having a good relationship doesn't mean having no limits. You still got to
Right.
you're still a parent and you're not
Hmm.
their friend, right?
Right.
And that's something that a lot of parents, I think, you see that they don't establish strong limits for the
Hmm.
kids, and so they grow up thinking they can do whatever they want. I mean, you see
Hmm.
it in our society right now,
It's really bad.
and it creates problems. Yeah, strong relationship within very reasonable boundaries with
Hmm.
logical consequences, that sort of stuff.